This is the Woodford RK-H34 repair kit. This is the repair kit for the model H34 and the 21. On the front of the package, it should come with a list of parts that the package will contain, as well as a little picture breakdown of the order the parts go in and how. So we'll go ahead and get everything out of the package here. So it'll come with the packing nut, the wheel handle assembly, the operating stem, the rubber packing, this brass washer, and then this rubber packing here, and then the handle screw, as well as that washer screw. So we'll go ahead and take a couple measurements of each part that it'll come with. We'll start with the packing nut. So as you can see here, it will have those external metal threads and then that hexed bit right there. So we'll go ahead and get a total height. And the total height measures right at about 3/4 of an inch. The total outside diameter of right at about just above 3/4 of an inch. And then we'll get an outside diameter of that handle assembly as well, and that'll measure right at 2 inches. And then get an inside diameter here of that squared broach, and that'll measure just below 1/2 inch. And then measure the operating stem. We'll get a total length here, and that measures right at 1 3/4 inches. And then we'll measure that washer screw there, and it will measure just shy of 1/2 inch. And this washer screw will be driven by a flathead, and the handle screw will also be driven by a flathead. And we'll go ahead and get a total length of it as well. That'll measure right at 3/4 of an inch. And then the packing has a total outside diameter of right at 3/4 of an inch. And then the brass washer here has an outer diameter of 3/4 of an inch as well. And then this rubber washer here will get a total height as well as an outer diameter of there at that flat side. So the height measures right about 1/4 of an inch with the outside diameter of the flat portion here. If I can figure out how to hold it here. And it'll measure right at about 1/2 inch. And once again, this is the Woodford RK-H34 repair kit.